Using next-gen technology in marine environment locates. Louisiana has always been called the Bayou State. There are many reasons for this, some of which we will explain in this video. We will also show you the cutting-edge technology that Louisiana111, also known as Louisiana811, in partnership with OneCall Concepts, has adopted for ease of use. Not only in bayous, but in rivers, gullies, canals, lakes, forestry areas, and pipeline rights-of-way. And most importantly, in the 3-mile boundary off of Louisiana shores and in the Gulf of Mexico. In the marshland, there are identifiable landmark features that can assist with visually determining where excavation, blasting, boring, or other work is taking place. However, the Gulf of Mexico and some of the land that has eroded close to the shoreline of Louisiana, called the 3-mile limit, offers very few landmarks to assist in processing a notification request. Louisiana811 has been involved with many projects with Ed Landgraf of CAMO, the Coastal and Marine Operators Pipeline Industry Initiative. We are delighted to share success stories of the next-gen technology in the marine environment with you today. OneCall Concepts has been Louisiana811's provider for call center and software services since 1984. We have always had call center professionals work directly with utility companies, pipeline members, municipalities, and other facility owners to help understand industry needs, and how we can continue to build high-tech platforms such as NextGen and iTIC. In our conversations within the industry, we have found that the most complicated task in the notification process is the struggle of an excavator to make excavation notices in waterways, locations in pipeline rights-of-way, and the Louisiana coastal 3-mile limit areas and out into the Gulf of Mexico. OneCall Concepts immediately began work on creating a solution for ease of use in the most complicated of areas. NextGen was designed, tested, introduced, and rolled out in 2017. Louisiana was only the 4th state to deliver the many benefits of its membership. Now, 4 years later, 75% of Louisiana811 notifications are running through the NextGen system. Excavators find this to be a valuable tool to more closely define exactly where work will take place. How to use NextGen with marine environment tickets. NextGen technology allows the user to see the satellite view of the area where the work will take place. The zoomable functionality in the system leaves no doubt as to where the drawings should be made on the map depicting the exact location to be excavated. Here is how NextGen works when submitting locate requests in Louisiana's marine environments. This is a ticket that was filed for Lower Plaquemines Parish and processed through the NextGen system. The dredge job will take place in Bay Denise, in Lower Plaquemines Parish. The area is northeast of Buras and southeast of Empire, Louisiana. It is just south of Quarantine Bay and east of the Mississippi River. At this point in the landscape, both Bayou Tortolán and Bay Denise have outlets from the Mississippi River and Quarantine Bay, close to a landmass called Ostraca. The NextGen map provides 3 different map views to better depict the work area. In this particular instance, the best excavation entity to clearly describe the work area was a route. As you can see in the call center map view, the route was started at point 1 and ended at point 7, for a total of 2,750 feet. Prior to the design and implementation of NextGen, locations would have to be taken from a known intersecting point to a boat launch into the water. Then, boating instructions would be given from that point to where the dredge or water activity is located. A call like this to a live OneCall center operator would last between 20 and 45 minutes on average, just to be able to get a clear and succinct comprehension of how to get to the actual location from the boat ramp launch. With the advent of NextGen, you are able to log into the system with your email address and password, go directly to the ticket entry page, and enter your latitude and longitude coordinates. The system then converts the proper NAD, or North American datum, which determines the position or location of any place on the Earth's surface. Latitude and longitude are the angles that uniquely define the points on a sphere north to south between the north and south poles, determining the exact spot of the excavation activity. Most smartphones and other specialized equipment can correctly and automatically calculate the exact coordinate of a site. Now back to the next-gen process. From the Intent to Excavate screen, enter the latitude and longitude coordinates, and within seconds, NextGen highlights the area on the map to allow a visual verification of the site. Once the area is displayed, choose the excavation entity that best describes the path of work to be performed. In an area such as this, one of 3 entities can be used to properly describe the excavation area. The entities commonly used for a marshland, river, bayou, or other bodies of water are circles, routes, and polygons. In this example, the ticket user decided to use a route. The user was able to view the area on the satellite map by keying in the GPS latitude and longitude coordinates. They could then start drawing the route of their work by clicking on the different segments that are notated by the numbers on the route entity. The user is also able to measure the exact distance by using the measure tool on the top right-hand side of the screen. It is hard to believe that you can go from a ticket-taking process of 20 to 45 minutes to a much quicker and more efficient process. Log in, selection of lat long, then selection of the feature, excavation entity selection, and drawing the footprint of the worksite. Immediately upon choosing and confirming the entity, the facility owners in the area of the excavation will be notified. The system also has the ability to pre-generate the drawing or boating directions and autofill it into the ticket format. Upon release of the tickets to the affected facility owners, a map link is also sent back to the ticket user for further verification that the correct job site was selected. Whether you are excavating onshore in Louisiana or dredging offshore in Louisiana territorial waters, NextGen can greatly assist you in making a comprehensive and in-depth notification request that will provide Google pre-generated marking instructions, precise lat-long information, and 3 map views of where the excavation activity will take place. This easy-to-use system is designed to facilitate both a better understanding to the excavator and a more precise view of the notification to the facility owner thanks to the 3 available map views.